you that particular detail. So what is the topic of the like which we are going to be talk today? Okay, so we'll talk the memory component as well. But before that, there's a few questions that has been people are having doubt, so that I want to be clear it out. Okay, that's very important for me that you guys have that particular understanding. Okay, so data. So previously we were working on ML plus ML or DS. Okay, DS, data science, deep learning. Okay, something like this. In that situation, we have to do the training and build the model. On the basis of that, will predict our result. Okay, or response or whatever that you want to say, you can say it. But now the things has been changed. As we know, we have the foundation models, okay, that are pre-trained, okay, on large amount of data. So in that situation, what we have to do, we need just only our use case details, okay, and then we have to figure out, take an example, company chatbot, okay, company chatbot. So in the case of the company chatbot, क्या हो रहा है भाई आज? Okay, that particular data is private. Okay, in that situation only we need the RAG solution. Getting my point? In that situation only we need the RAG solution, because about the high devs, LLM model don't know. Getting my point? LLM model don't know about this particular scenario. Take an example again. Uh, Healthcare chatbot, but general chatbot or such data. In that condition, we need RAG solution. Okay, sorry, uh, chatbot general or search. So two are there. So in general, we don't need data because we already have a LLM model that know most of the things about the healthcare. So in that situation, we don't need the data. Here, search data, search on large data. Okay, search on large data. So and do the chatbot. Okay, so in that situation, we need the RAG solution, and RAG solution means we need the data. Now, if I will come on my this project list, okay, we'll go one by one. I will explain one by one. Okay, so build your own clone. How many people say need the data here? Raise your hand. Yes or no? Yes means up. Okay. Okay. GitHub repository code assistant. Yes or no? Okay. Personalized MCQ generator. Yes or no? So yeah. How many? So the question is that, yeah, Narendra, question is that, do we need the data? If yes, then which particular project that we are talking about? Okay. So personalized MCQ generator. So here, personalized MCQ generator means we need data. That's the personal data. Okay. If I will say random kind of the MCQ generator that I need, then that can be done by the prompt only. We don't need any kind of the data. That's why from the day one, I am saying generative AI is much about prompt, prompt, and prompt. Nothing else. Okay. Multi-source content intelligence system. Do we need data in this one? So in this, we don't need data. We need data from the user, not at the time of that when we are building, because we are saying that we will create a multi-system. Okay. So in that condition, we will give the input to the user. That user will give the input. We will give the option to the user, and user will take a whatever the decision that they want to take and give the output input. Then on the that particular input, we will process it and we will give it. Okay. After that, we have the advanced mathematics assistant platform. Now you tell me, do we require in this condition data? No. Got it. Now I think you all are have the understanding when we need the data and when we don't need the data. Got it? Now indic language translator. Do we need the data in this condition? No, we don't need, because we are creating simple translator that can easily be done by the prompt. Car dekho chatbot. Do we need data in this condition? Yes, we need, because we need in this one, because we need car dekho, because we have to integrate the car dekho data in this one, because we are creating this one is very personalized. Okay, then only we will able to do it. So think from the perspective of the personalization, not general. This is general. If I will say this should be limited to the there are a lot of ways. Okay, Ayush will not talk about currently. What are the ways to be collect the data? Currently, we are talking about the how to where to apply the data logic and where not to apply. Okay, so in that condition, car dekho chatbot data need, this particular chatbot need data. Okay, in this one we don't need data. Okay, advanced mathematics assistant platform. But in the case of, if I will tell you this particular assistant should be work for uh, my college or my school only, in that situation I need the data, because I will limit it. Getting my point? So this is where that you all have to be think. Got it, everyone? Now I hope you will able to define when you need a data, when you need of the data, and when you don't need of the data. Got it? That's great. Hope it's help you. Okay, now let's come to our this one. Now give me a few questions that I can ask and validate how my chatbot is working. Okay, so see, so I will ask this question. I will go to my chatbot. Okay, query and solution. Wait, I think prompt is not good. The goal is to implement a solution by addressing the best practice, leveraging this. Okay, purpose. Okay, here is my query solution. Now give me solution of the asked query with answer and explanation of the explanation how you solve it. See, done. Now you have to make it more powerful. Just do your good prompt engineering here. That's it. So there's one question by the Vikas. In the case of the smart claim processing project, we need some data from insurance industry or not. So in the case of the smart claims processing project, in that situation, if you are creating the generic data, then you generic chatbot, then you don't need it. If you are building for the particular use case, because insurance is also of the different types: health insurance, car insurance, bike. Okay, like life insurance. Okay, there are multiple insurance are there, and that different companies have different claim processing. Okay, so in that scenario, you have to figure out, are you building something generic that anyone can use it, or are you creating for the particular insurance. So in that situation, you have to take a decision. Okay, got it? Because okay, without data, how to build a unique AI project or AI project in general which are not there in real world? If if the things are not available in the real world, then there is no need to make it. That means that not exists in the real world. Data like user purchasing history or server image data that can be in database but not present on the web. A data like using purchasing history or several images, everything is available. Ayush, you have to go and search properly. Everything is available on the internet nowadays. Everything. It's paid, yes. So that doesn't mean that it's not available. Okay. Yeah. Nananda, do you have any questions? You raise your hand. Okay.
Sir,
No.
I will ask later on, sir. Please give me some time.
Okay. Okay. No issue. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So everyone now able to get when we need the data, when we don't need the data. Okay. At what condition? So that's what that we can do it. Now, why no? But why companies ask for unique AI project? So that's company are asking because they want to see what level of the thought process that you have. That doesn't mean that you have to be just work on. Companies are asking a lot of things. Okay. So that's why HiDevs come into the picture now. That are taking the responsibility to giving you the job. Getting my point? Company are not asking for the unique project, they are asking the project. I don't remember that in my 10 year of the work experience anyone asked me what unique project that you have been done. They always ask me what you have been done, which you can explain very nicely and you know in and out about everything related to it. So that's what that company are looking for. They are not looking for some unique ideas. They are looking for the good people who can develop and work on it. Got it? So let's ask your question itself. Okay, uh, so I will copy your this question. Okay, and hello, so I will ask to it. Let's see. Truly building the unique without really available data require creating problem solving. Think about the AI application that leverage the human interaction and generate novel content rather than rely on the existing data. So key process is process rather than data. See, the same thing that I told you, na? Process, how you are working, what you are working, how you are approaching. That's what. So now we'll ask the question of Vikas. In the case of the smart, do we need the data from the insurance industry or not? So you will definitely need insurance claim without it. So here I am asking from the point of view of Gen AI solution, not an AI, because we forget to give the context. Let's see how it's working. Okay, so not that changes things. What kind of Gen AI project you are thinking? So uh, I am thinking for this one. See, so if I will say I want to build, I want to build a general solution or chatbot without fine tuning. Then also fine tuning. Then also, do I need data? Even without you need some data depending on the job chatbot complexity, the simple predefined response. Yeah, that's what that's mean. This is means few shot learning. That's is talking about aiming for the natural. Here, uh, I am thinking to build using simple prompt technique, a jungle uh, claim processing chatbot with few short learning prompt technique. See, so this is how that I think we can be keep it simple and straightforward. Okay, so you can go and talk to it. Okay, hope it will help you because not always I am available, so that's why. Not a chatbot claim settlement streaming process workflow optimization. So uh, in that situation, because you need a data because you are streaming the process. Okay, and let's talk to that also. Not a chatbot claim processing and this one. For streamings, we need a different approach. We will use a GPT, okay, and LangChain. Modularity is perfect for building workflow. We will define separate modules for claim intake, validation. Each module will be used this one, and this is a way that you will able to do it. Got it? So, see. So, have you trained EcoDeepak on? Suppose there is a no output generator. Can we link open directly like we don't have the solution instead of giving solution of Nandesh, I didn't get you. Can you please like we don't have the solution instead of giving solution of reference. I didn't get you. So have you trained EcoDeepak on any data? Yes, it is EcoDeepak. So that has been work on my data. That's the obvious answer. That's the AI clone, na? That's the clone that I am uh trying to give you the glance, the same way that I built this one with my team. Okay. So let's jump on our today's agenda. So this very nice discussion. We'll do something more productive for this. I will keep it in my mind. Ki what else that we can do. So guys, you can ask me the same question in the group as well. I am happy to answer. So like currently only 27 people are taking the advantage of answer. So if we will ask the question in the group, then that will be much benefit that 100 plus people take the benefit of that. Getting my point? Only if you feel good. Okay. No pressure from my side. So let's wait. It's running, it's running, it's running. Oh, so I will upload it.
Hi, Deepak Priyank here.
Yeah,
While
hey, Priya.
your notebook is running and it is getting loaded, can I help in answering a bit? Some of the point I think guys may still have some doubt. I can try to help, not hijacking the session.
No, no, you can.
Some,
Arey, no, no
yeah, just
hijacking.
trying to share from my side, maybe a different dimension,
Sure, sure,
slightly, and
sure, sure,
some
sure,
of
sure.
the some of the question which Ayush and Nandesh was asking. So
Hmm.
Nandesh, nowadays we are getting. I'm going chronologically reverse order. The LLMs which we are getting, they do have even the OpenAI also. They gives the option when you go for can you ask directly, or if there is no answer available directly to the base model, the model itself can opt for the option to give to go to the web references, means to the internet on the fly. Earlier it was not there, but nowadays this feature is there. You can enable. I think DeepSeek is also having that feature. So I think this is what you are asking. All of the LLM which we are using nowadays, they are not PhD in mathematics simply. So maybe y is equal to mx plus c, they can answer, or maybe slightly more complex. But I have seen several discussion and in the group messages are there. Even the simple mathematical problem are not being solved, or the answer are not being given. Because the LLM itself was not that much learned. It was only passed out 3 years back. So the learning was very at a low level. Now, coming back to the insurance part or any other domain specific, theoretically, I think you have this doubt, and which is very much correct. You can treat the LLM models as a plain collection of embedding. That's all. And
Can
you
we
can
do?
say they don't know anything about any of the domain. Yeah, Nadesh, please.
Yes, sir.
Let-
Sir,
Yes,
can
I,
we do
yeah.
giving similar type of examples in prompt, like training the
Mhm.
model and give similar type of complex problems, like two, three problems given in the prompt, and we ask a question like similar type means 60% of complex problem you give in the train like in the model, and we will ask 80% complex problems, like it will.
Mhm. Okay, so see, okay, what will happen? I am, let's say, I am the LLM, and I have only passed fifth grade. Now I came to the market telling everybody that, okay, dear, you ask me any general question, I can answer you, which happened 2 years back. But if you ask me a question which is of 12th grade or BSc or MSc, I can't handle it. So I will give you some vague answer. That was happening with the chat GPT, right? So if you want me to answer the complex question, you have to first train me. That is what Deepak was saying. Do not go for the training part. If whatever is available, if you can build upon that as a general solution, that will serve the purpose. However, for a specific domain purpose, like the unique AI solution or the insurance or any other, even the mathematics one also, as of today, ChatGPT or any other model, they have learned a lot. Like DeepSeek, it was built on the top of the OpenAI or ChatGPT. They used whatever learning was there, so that's the reason they came up too quickly. But if the underlying embeddings or the underlying learning is not beyond 12th grade, you cannot ask him to solve the question which is of BSc or MSc or PhD. So
Yeah.
if that is the case, then there is no other way. You have to make him learn. You have to add the knowledge base. So that will come as a, I mean, so you can differentiate two ways. You have a general solution or general purpose objective, or you have a specific purpose. And most of the time you will have a specific purpose. So additional knowledge base has to be added, and that will serve the purpose for some additional knowledge to be available, which can help you to build any specific solution for your company, for your objective, personal use, or whatever.
Yeah, right,
I hope
right.
that may have helped a bit.
Yeah, yeah, right. I got it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Please continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyank. Thank you so much. Yeah,
Mm.
thank you so much. That's very helpful. Now, here one example that has been come in my mind. Take an example. Uh, Current LLM model have uh, learning and understanding. Okay, till 12th class. Okay, or we can say 18-year-old. Till 18-year-old understanding that they have, and you are asking some question of like master, okay, master degree or BTech, okay, BCA, something like this. So what will happen? They will take the query and try to give you the answer, but the possibility, okay, the possibility is that the accuracy of the answer will be lie between 50 to 60%. Okay, this is the case because they have the learning till 12th class. From where they get the learning? They get the learning from the data of whatever that has been given to them by the company like OpenAI, Gemini, DeepSeek, Mistral. There are a lot of models. They give only till 12th class. And we are asking something which is related to the master, BTech or BCA or MCA, something like this. So they will not just say us that I don't know. They will try to give the answer of this one. Okay, they will try to give the answer of this one. And but the only one situation is that we will not able to get accurate answer. So in that situation, what we will do, we are just getting the 50% less accuracy. So what we will do in this situation, we have the two solution. Either we'll do rack plus fine tuning. So fine tuning is not going to be easy. I'm very frank with you guys. I did the fine tuning. It's take a lot of the resources, time, energy, and companies infrastructure. There are a lot of hustle are there. Fine tuning is not the going the easy way. That's why people are just relying on the rack. Okay, nothing else. Okay, so you have to give your knowledge base here. So when you will give the knowledge base of like master or BTech, so what will happen in that situation? By default, LLM model have the understanding of 12th class till 12th class. Okay, and now you give the some data, okay, in the form of RAG approach of BTech. Now it will able to give you the 70% of the accuracy. So this is a way that you will able to keep on give the data, okay, based on your use case and improve the accuracy. So this is the only things that happening currently in the market. Got it, Namesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here, Priyank, I think, is it understandable to you as well?
Yeah, then, oh, that's fine. Yeah, please
Okay.
continue.
Yeah. So there's one more thing. Now, as you say about the web reference, so what is happening? We will talk about that as well. Okay, in tomorrow's session about the AI agents, how AI agents are handling the like knowledge base. Okay, plus website searches. Okay, and then giving us the result, or we can say the response, that we will talk tomorrow. Okay, so this is the way that the things are working. Okay, so let's come to our this one. So now memory. So before talking about the memory coding part, I will give you the few things that you all should to know about it. Okay, so we'll go here. So I will copy. Yeah, so memory. So basically, can anyone tell me why do we need the memory component in our GenAI solution?
To
Why there is a
store to store the previous chats means
no to store the previous chat? That's the process. But why there is a need to be stored the previous chat history to remember the last conversation? Yes, that's the question. To make the personalization. Yes, yes, Varat, that's great. So uh, to give the feeling, okay, to give the feeling that the human being, the human being is giving the feeling na ki see, I'm talking to you. Okay, so I will talk to you today on lot of topics. Tomorrow I will come again and then we'll continue our discussion. If human don't have the memory capabilities, then wherever currently we are, we will not able to. Okay, the one of the greatest thing that the human have, that's the memory component. Okay, thinking process. Okay, thinking process, that's the again that's a good point. But I am seeing that memory is the one of the greatest thing that human being have, and that has been gifted by the god to us. So more the memory power that we have, and the more we will able to store and understand the data. The same way that we have to give that particular capability to our system. So whenever someone is coming on our chatbot or wherever that we have been implemented our GenAI solution, in that scenario we have to keep the memory component. If we don't keep the memory component, then we will not able to give the personalization feel, We will not able to talk in a manner that we know everything that we talked yesterday or day before yesterday, whatever it is. So that's why we have to give the memory component. So that's has been clear. Okay, now how to give it? Because as we see till now, let's come to here. As we see till now, we are giving what? We are giving the prompt. First we give the prompt. After we will give the user query and answer. This is a simple one. After that we load the data, because we are creating something that is not be uh, available on the any LLM model. That's the private chatbot or the AI clone that we are building. That's why we created something chunking and loading and all this thing. So in that situation, what we did, we have the prompt. Oh, sorry. We have the prompt, and on that prompt, we have the context. And context means we have the particular value that we, particular chunk that we take from the user query, basis of the user query. That's what that we took. And after that, we are giving the, we are taking the query and giving the answer. So this is what it is. Now, one thing that I want to tell you, key, whenever you are calling it, so when you run this one, okay, so if you will run this particular function invoke, so in that particular function invoke, what happening, that will take your whole prompt to the API and give you the response. Now I will tell you one shocking part. Your, whenever you are calling to any LLM, okay, every time that particular call is stateless. Anyone know about the, what is the meaning of stateless? Stateless API call. No history. Okay. Anyone else? No, no, no. So it, stateless means doesn't change the state of the function. Good try, Chirag. But yeah. So basically, stateless means I send some data, okay, or I, no, not I send, sorry, I request some data, okay, and that data has been went away whenever I will get a response from my server. I will give you the image, okay, give me a bit. Yeah, that's it. Here it is. See, this is a stateless and stateful. Stateless means client, you are the client, okay, you are sending the request. Request contains all the information required to process it. Servers are available here, and after that you are getting the response. This is a response, this is a request, this is a data. Load balancer, just ignore it for now, and we have the multiple servers. Load balancer will decide where we do have to keep the that request. Now stateful means request contains the limited information, okay, and additional information is fetched from the state. So whenever we are sending this one, that is storing into that particular state. So whenever you are calling to any LLM, in that situation, every API call is a stateless API call. They don't know what you sent previously. That's the different. That's the only different thing. Nothing else. Okay. I will show you one more image. See, this one. This is also good one, because to understand this is very necessary. Okay. This is the fundamentals that we are learning today. Okay. So this is one. Add A or B, and this is 8. So currently 8 is not save here, but here it is save. So this is stateful, this is stateless. Got it? So in this situation, we are working on the stateless. Whenever you are calling any API with your prompt, your particular LLM model which you are using, they don't know about it. They don't know anything about it. What is happening, how is happening. Okay. So in that situation, what we have to do, we have to keep that data into our system. Okay. And we always have to send that history to our prompt. So that's what that we are doing here. So if you will come here, content, this is a combined content context. Okay. Now I am saving my history to the past history variable, and also I am sending the retrieve context and query as well. So that is combining every time whenever I am coming here or whenever I am sending it. So what now happen? Now this is my system prompt. Okay, system prompt. Okay, so I will write something like this: system prompt. Then I have the context. Then I have the chat. Sorry, chat history. Okay, then I have the user query. Okay, then I have the answer. So now this is my final format. And also I have to keep this system prompt every time within the limit of what? Context window. That's, I think most of the people know about, okay, why we are doing and what is the context window length. Okay, so every time we have to do this one. But chat history always going to be increase. Okay, so in that situation, what I will do? I have to put the summary here. Key, whatever that you are putting the history. Okay, so you have to put the history in a summary format, because that's not going to be possible that you will send the whole chat history to your LLM. Again, you will run out your context length window issue, and that will be the problematic for you and your solution. Do anyone have any question? Because that's very important concept that we have to understand. So please tell me. Anyone, please? Any doubt? Okay, no one have no doubt. That's very nice explanation that I give. Okay, stateless, please. How we save our previous query? Very simple. Each time whenever we will call the query, we will put into our particular list or the dictionary, and then we'll save it. See, user query and response, and we will save this particular list into our whatever the knowledge, whatever the database that we are using, and then we will fetch it from there. So this is how that you can use it. So there is no rocket science. Generative AI is not a rocket science that I want to be proved, and that is going on that track only. That generative AI is not a rocket science. AI is only 10%, 90% is software engineering. That's it. As you can see, now I need to save. The further question is great. How do we save the chat history? We have to save. So what is the available solution? So we have the available solution like database. What database? That's totally depend on the nature of the use case that we are working. If it is a chatbot, then we have to go with the NoSQL. If it is kind of the relational, some relation is there, then we have to save in the MySQL. Okay, so there's only two type of the databases are available. Now that's our decision. Where do we have to save it? That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Now, as requested by the stateful and stateless. Stateless means we are not saving any data when client is requesting or sending the request with the information. Okay. Stateful means when the client requesting some request, then we are keeping that particular data into the storage and keeping in our storage. Whenever it need, we will give it to back. Okay, that's the only difference, nothing else. Okay, Farza? Okay. Okay then. So this is about the memory. So this is how that you will able to do it. So here currently we keep uh, everything here so you can use it. So I will see. So ask the question. Who are you? So let's remove this one. Okay, so I will change this prompt with my prompt. Okay, so this is system prompt. So I have my own prompt. Let's go there. Okay, Mm, where that prompt? Okay, this is my system prompt. Okay, I will copy. Okay, I will paste it here. I will remove this. Okay, because everything is coming already. Okay, so I will not make it combine text. So is there combine text, system prompt, user query? Okay, so now I need to be change my this one. Okay, so how do we change? So I have the solution. I will go here. I this chat GPT already know about me. Give me 40 lines about Deepak Chawla, who is uh, Deepak Chawla. No, who is, let's ask what, because I also don't know. They remember my seasonal curator. His role is systematic. Okay. Uh, how HiDevs is related with him? Feature persona Morgan. Array, who is founder of HiDevs? Then, oh, you, Kartike. Oh, that's something strange. I also don't know. So let's go to my chat history because somewhere that I write about it. See, this is a hallucination. HiDevs. All about HiDevs. Here it is. Yes. So this is that I already created. Okay. Hellos. Please. Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah. Now give me 40 lines about him. Okay. So till that it's generating, we'll go back to our, okay, here, and instead of the PDF, okay, okay, where is the PDF processing we have currently? So llama, no, this is not useful. This is also not useful. Okay, okay. Chroma embedding. Okay. Chat history. Okay. Retrieve, evaluate, query. Oh, retrieve context. Okay. This is embedding model. Okay, where is this embedding model has been defined? Here is the embedding model is defined. After that, we have the query embedding. Okay, document collection. Okay, where is the collection is there? Collection is coming from this AI knowledge base. So AI knowledge base, Chroma client that. So Chroma DB3. Okay, so we'll go and search where we do define Chroma DB3. Okay, so yeah, here it is, Chroma DB3. This is, I think, yes, this is Chroma DB3. And after that, we have PDF. We have the PDF where? Uh, chunks. Okay, so before that, we have this one. Okay, so I have to change this PDF to this data. That's it. Okay, so we'll go copy. I will go then online create PDF. Okay, so I will open it uh, from text. So text to PDF. I will come here. My text is paste, convert. So DC knowledge base. That's done. I will go back to my here. I will come here. I will upload it. DC knowledge base. Now I will change this to DC and run it. Okay, and what I will do, I will check it's working fine or not. Okay, so that is currently here. So we'll come here. So this is working fine. Now we don't need this one. We change this. That's it. Okay, so this is 4. This is again 4. This is 4. Okay, and cosine similarity we don't need. That's already has been done. Here chunking has been done. As you can see, data has been chunked. Now I just changed this 4. Okay, no, not this one. Sorry, my bad. This one, 4. Okay, now I will run this. Let's see. Hello, say hi. Who are you? I'm Deepak Chawla, data science mentor. What do you do? Can we get this material? Yes, yes, yes. You will get all this material. Don't worry. What do you do? Okay, okay. Uh, do you know me? We just start chatting. Okay. Myself, uh, Narendra. Narendra, I'm taking your name. Don't hope you don't mind. Narendra Singh. Sure, sir. Thank you, man. Nice to meet you. I am a data scientist and eager to get into generative AI and want to change the world with Gen AI. You are speaking my language. Now we will ask who am I. So we will see are remembering or not. Who am I? Sorry. Narendra Singh, a fellowship. What do I want to do? See, this is the power of the memory. So your chatbot is ready, guys. You don't have to do anything now. See, okay. So this is the power of whatever that we are doing. Okay. Now you saw that what level of the LLM we have been used. Okay, very little much. Only this part. Everything apart from that is building the things. So that's why I created this particular resources list where everything is available. Okay, so you have the step-by-step solution is available. That took me mostly like 2 months to create this particular single page, whatever that you are seeing. Okay, so that is very important that you have to understand. Okay, now there's one question that has been come by the Farza, I think. Grow is good with which vector storage, quadrant and pinecone. So one more time that I want to tell you guys, there is a no good and best thing is available in this whole world. Totally depend on your use case, and you have to hit and try. That's it. This is the list of the all the vector DB available in the market. Okay, you have to check which one is the best for you and which one is not. Okay, now the same question that I will ask to Eco Deepak. Let's see what we will get. So this is, and first of all, this is Grok, and Grok is a platform. Okay, Farza, Grok is not a LLM. Okay, so Llama 3.2 that we are using. We will ask something like this. Okay, see, project need. Getting my point? Always the things depend on your project need. Okay, got it, Farza? Okay, so that's it. Okay, from for today. okay, will go tomorrow to live this particular project, whatever we have been done, and convert this into the Streamlit. Okay, and that is going to be very easy, and we can do it. And we'll also go with the few things that we can do with the AI agents. Okay. Now, if anyone have any doubt, do let me know. Till that, I will click one. Yeah, Ayush, go ahead. So here something is prompt engineering is there. Okay. Everything prompt engineering related, data loading, chunking is available, embedding
Just
vector
put
database.
into the chat.
Sorry, Ayush, your voice is breaking, man.
I have put my doubt into the chat.
WhatsApp,
No sir, no sir, the meet chat.
WhatsApp पे सेंड कर दो ना, तो दूसरों को भी हेल्प हो जाएगा. ओके.
Okay.
ओके मैन, थैंक यू. So this is your final code. I'm saving this code, so you will able to do it. Okay. How do you frame your journey experience, especially you are thinking perspective in data sets to train the eco on your build? How do you frame all your journey experience, especially you're thinking to data sets to train? Just give in the PDF. That's it. Nothing else. There's no proper format. Again, based on your use case, how you are framing all these things. What it is?
Sir, but it's not in the real world. It's your thoughts and learnings. But how did you frame into the chat and into the text or the machine format?
So machine format is not my duty, na. That is I will do with the embedding model. That embedding model will do and save into it.
No, I was not saying that. Uh, How did your how did you frame your experiences into the chat, into the prompt or
Oh
something
no,
like?
no. I created this simple. I think you are very much confused. I not created into the chat. I just give the PDF. See, the same way that I did here. If I will open this PDF, okay, that we created recently, let me see. This is the PDF that I give, but with the some titles.
Oh, so you basically fed your traits into the prompt.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh,
That's
that's what
why.
I'm asking for.
Yeah, yeah. That's the structure.
Oh,
Example. My personal details. Okay. After that, my journey. Okay. Education and experience. This is after that. I will say my life goal. Okay. My thought process
yeah,
and
that was
my
I was asking
uh,
for that.
no
You
issue, no issue.
sit and framed
My
the document.
my behavior, everything that I will keep it something like. Hope you remember that I talk about the markdown format where we have to define from the day one that I am saying the single thing. The way the data that you give, the that the same that's the same way that you will get an output. That's it. The most accurate data format that you will give, the most accurate result that you will get. That's the simple thing. My behavior, my family details.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
I thought
Everything.
yeah,
Yeah.
I thought it is a very complex way
No, 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 no.
that you
Complex.
really build your actual clone,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will.
like
So now you guys also are able
like
to
in the
do it.
movies or what?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sooner I'm going to build something much more powerful that will mostly replace me, and I will enjoy somewhere, and that will handle my whole company. In
Great.
next 1 year, I will able to do it. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy it. Okay. I don't know what's your opinion, but yeah, I am enjoying a lot. Yes, Farza, you can do. Yeah, that's totally up to you in any clone. But things will be changed. Your hobbies and my hobbies is different. Solving thinking process is different. There's a lot of things is different, but title should be always same, because humans have the some different, same things, same titles, but the different thoughts process and other things. Okay, so now you guys have the 4 days done. Can we make the different characters also? Yes, you can do it again based on your prompt, how well that you craft your prompt. Suppose your model gives the correct data, but we will get the wrong correct model gives the correct data, we will give the that's, yeah, it can be happen. It can be happen. Nonetheless, this is for you. Okay, this is can be happen. Yes, it will be a blunder.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, man. Okay, then if you guys are comfortable, then we will go for the selfie. Please turn on your camera. Few people always do it, like Nandesh, Rehan, and few more. Yeah, Vinayak also. I remember the faces now. Rahul, Bola, yeah. Chirag, अरे कैसा है भाई Chirag? I remember your face now. So that's the power of the like images. So yeah. So we'll talk about one very good thing tomorrow. What I'm feeling, the all LLM models currently are available in the market. All are in the not the stage that we are needed. All are wrong in my opinion. Whatever they are doing, that's totally stupid, and I will prove tomorrow. Okay, I have that some approach, because everyone is talking about na ki we are close to the AGI. We are not close, not a single percent. Okay.
Our prime minister also
Yeah.
noted that. That
Okay.
the left hand thing.
Yeah. So let's go for the selfie. Yeah. Okay then. Cheese, guys. Done. Thank you so much. And share your thoughts on LinkedIn if you like. If not, then share with me. I will improve it. Okay then. Bye. Take care. कल मिलते हैं फिर. I will share the notebook. Okay. Bye.